BLOQ Residences has 3 locations with ready-for-occupancy units, namely BLOQ Residences Talamban, BLOQ Residences Sikatuna 1, and BLOQ Residences Centro Manddaue. BLOQ Talamban is located at Trabajo Street, Talamban, Cebu City, quite close to schools, universities, and commercial buildings. BLOQ Sikatuna 1 is located at Sikatuna Street, Barangay Dayas, Cebu City, just across Zapatera Elementary School. It is also within walking distance of schools and universities such as the main campus of University of San Carlos, Cebu Normal University, University of Cebu, University of Visayas, Asian College of Technology, and other private and public schools. Lastly, we have BLOQ Centro Manddaue located at Plaridel Street, Centro Manddaue, Mandaue City, Cebu. It is conveniently located behind University of Visayas Mandaue campus, quite close to Cebu Doctors University, Chonghua Hospital, and Park Mall. At BLOQ Residences, we offer services and amenities such as the use of round-the-clock surveillance system, a backup generator, leased parking, access cards and elevators. BLOQ Residences units feature polished concrete flooring, basic kitchen amenities and finishes, as well as standard bathroom fixtures. The RFO units can be purchased through either of our 2 promotional payment schemes. We have the Ultimate Cashback promo as well as a straight equity scheme. For the Ultimate Cashback promo, we offer a 10% cashback discount, applied to the total contract price should the loan takeout happen by the end of the 15th month of equity payment. The steps are quite simple. Settle the down payment of only 5%, followed by the submission of required documents and an 11,500 pesos move-in payment. After which, the buyers can already occupy or start using the unit as long as the loan takeout happens by the end of the 15th month of equity payment. The 10% discount will be applied. As an example, let's say that an RFO unit's TCP is worth 4 million pesos. A 5% down payment of 200,000 pesos needs to be paid, followed by the move-in fee of 11,500. When the buyer migrates the loan over to a bank within 15 months, the TCP discount of 10% or 400,000 is applied, bringing the TCP down from 4 million to 3.6 million. An extraordinary offer indeed! The other option in purchasing an RFO unit is through our straight equity scheme. With this offer, new buyers can have the amazing opportunity to occupy their units after complying with submission of documents and paying a move-in fee of only 11,500 pesos with no additional down payment required, subject to 2 to 5 years of equity payments. These incredible promos are offered for a limited number of units.
Please subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified when we release a new Click the notification bell to be notified when we release a new video.